Have you ever tried to go to sleep at night when you're in a really, really hot room? And it's so hot that you lay there and you find that no matter what you do, you just cannot get in a comfortable position to fall asleep. You've got your body laying on its side, or maybe you lie on your stomach or your back when you're sleeping, but no matter what position I laid, I could not fall asleep. But I was really, really sleepy. And I then moved myself to my living room. I took 3 pillows and my blanket, and I slept on the floor last night because I've only got one air conditioner now, and I need to get a second one because my bedroom gets so hot that I cannot fall asleep. I don't mind hot weather. I can handle the hot weather really well. It's just that if I have to fall asleep, I just cannot fall asleep if it's that warm in my bedroom, especially if I have a very warm pillow. I have to have a cool pillow. Maybe I could take my pillow and put it in the freezer. Maybe that'll work. Or maybe I could get those ice packs that you freeze that you put in the freezer. Maybe I can get some of those and hide it under the pillow so that the pillow stays nice and cool, and then I can fall asleep better. Or maybe I'm going too far with that. But as you can see here, the drawing I'm doing is with the Rotring Isograph and the moleskine sketchbook, and I'm just scribbling away, making what looks like some strange landscape with rocks and some kind of plants that are growing. I never really know what these doodles are. They're just doodles, if anything, really. Whatever comes to my mind. And when I was trying to fall asleep last night, I just lay there, and I was too tired to get up. I didn't want to move, but I was too warm to fall asleep. So then I just went to the living room, laid down 3 pillows, laid out my blanket. But the only problem I was having is that sleeping on the floor isn't very comfortable. So I took one of the pillows and laid it underneath me so that I had some cushioning between me and the floor. I have carpet on my floor. My whole apartment is carpeted except for my bathroom. But still, it's not that comfortable to sleep on. I mean, I would imagine that if it was a hardwood floor, it would be much more uncomfortable. I have slept on hardwood floors before when I was much younger because we didn't have much money, and so the places that I lived was 2-bedroom houses. And when you've got a family of people living there, and let's say you've got 5 people, and there's only 2 or 3 bedrooms, there's going to be one person that doesn't get a bedroom. A lot of times it would be me, and so I would just sleep on the floor or the couch, and I got used to that. One thing I have noticed is that I can't fall asleep on my back. I don't know if I can even fall asleep on my stomach, but I can only fall asleep on my side. And most of the time it's on my left side. And I don't know why that is. Never really knew. Maybe it's from always sleeping on a couch when I was younger. And so because of that, now I have to lay on my side to fall asleep. And living in Florida at night when you don't have air conditioning, that was really, really warm. But I can handle the warm weather. I just have a hard time falling asleep if it is warm. I just pretty much lay there. And that's what I did for about an hour until I just got so sleepy and I wanted to sleep that I got up and laid in front of my air conditioner. I put my air conditioner on low and then went to sleep. And then got up and here I am. But let me know what you think of this doodle. Don't forget to share this with your friends and subscribe and give it a like if you would like to. But I'm going to go ahead and make myself some breakfast, and I'll see you later. Have a good day.